What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing T-Rex from Blox Fruits. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a small circle for the left eye. Now from the bottom edge we're going to move in towards the center at a point. Now I want to surround the eye with a curve. So we're going to go up, go all the way around the outside. I just want to pull that in toward the inside point. And then we'll fill the inside of the eye in black, going around the pupil. Now I want to take that eye and flip it over on the right side, but I want to make it a little bit narrower. So we're going to start with that inside point, move over to right about here. Now I'm going to go up towards the top to the same height, come down across the bottom, and then back in. Let's add that circle in the center, and we'll fill the inside of the eye. Now with the eyes in place, let's move in and draw in the nostrils. We're going to start on the left, bend this out and down. Same thing on the right. Curve this around the inside of the nostrils. Close off the bottom with a slight curve, and it will fill the inside. Now move in between the eyes, step up and add a point. Let's add that horn in the center. Go straight up and out with a straight line toward the left side, go up and in toward the top. Now I want to round out the right side, going out, come around, and then back in. Let's leave a gap on either side and draw the inside edge of the horn. So we're going to step over toward the left, start with a curve going out and up. Now I want to bend this back up and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right, going out, and then bending that in towards the top. Let's work our way around the outside. So we get wider as it comes down along the side, and then bend that back in. Let's add a fold across the bottom, stepping up, come around and in, and then along the top, going up and down. Let's work our way towards the back of the head. Starting from this point, bend this around, and then go up, round this out, and come down. Let's go in behind the horn, so we're going to step up, come in the opposite direction, round this out, and come down. Let's curve the side, bending this back in. Now on the left side, we're going to come down, in, and then down towards the middle. Let's go back down to the bottom. I'm just going to add some layers going around, go up towards a point, and then back down. Let's add another scale, going out, up, and then down. And we'll add one more, one smaller one. Now in between the horn and that centerpiece, we're going to add a curve, coming down and up. Let's move over towards the right, come down and up, angle this down and out. Let's work our way down along the side of the head, starting underneath the left horn, bend this around, then in, add another curve, bend this down and out. Let's go underneath the horn on the right side, start by going out, then it's in towards the eye, and then out. From the bottom, curve this down and in. Now we're going to work our way in towards the center. Let's start back on the left, going up. Let's add a large fang on the left side, bending this in and down, and then we'll bend that back up and in. Let's go over towards the right side, draw a short line coming in. Let's add that fang coming down, and then bend that up towards the top. And I want to pull this in towards the center. I'm just going to bend this down and in toward the middle. Now just on the left side of the eye, we're just going to add a wave coming down from the horn and then in. Let's draw the back of the head from this point, and it goes up and out. Go across in behind. We'll continue over towards the left. On the left side of that horn, it's going to round out that cube coming down, come all the way down towards the side horn. Now we want to work our way along the inside. Bend this in, come down, and then bend that out. Let's work our way along the outside of the horn, going out and up. Bend this back in, come down and in, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to continue this line underneath the horn, coming down to right about there. Let's round out that corner, and come down at an angle to right about there, just lining this up with this wave. Now from here, it's going to round this out and go across towards the right. With a slight angle, going up to there, round this out and go up underneath. Now from here, it's going to add a curve just for the edge of the cube going up. And then across the bottom, we're going to add that stain line. Starting over on the left, we're going to wobble this line going across, and go across towards the right. Let's add some spots across the bottom. We're just going to vary the size. Now I'm going to add a couple stripes across the back of the head. And it's down and in. Go back out. I'm going to add two more across the top. And then we'll add that same horn in behind the head on the right. So we're going to start by lining this up, going up. And I want to bend that back in towards the side. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw T-Rex from Blox Fruits. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.